Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can create and organize your watch list on a Netflix PC app. So in here, I've already opened the Netflix apps on my computer, and the watch list or my list on the Netflix is where you save the shows or movies that you want to watch later. So in here you can when you go to the home page, you'll see at the very top you'll see the my list sections in here. So these are the list of shows and movies that I want to watch. So if you want to create one, you can just select movies or shows to add it into the list by clicking on or choose the
그대로 쭉 직진하.
uh, movies or show. For example, I'm going to add this one. You can click on it, just click on this more info, and then you can scroll down, or you can just you can click on this plus icon,
Get them to chase it away from these people and have to
and
see.
it will be automatically
hop in
added
them.
into
you mean with those
your
jerry-rigged-
watch list. Let's see at the very top, you can see it has been added. And if you want to organize it, here you can click on the my list at the top, my list tab. For example, you want to delete one of the shows or movies from the watch list, you can just go like this. So just put this cursor on the shows or movies, and here just tap on this check to remove it from the list. Okay, so that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.